there, it's Rebecca with CrucialVacuum.com, and today we're going to be replacing the vacuum filter with the Crucial Vacuum branded Ridgid VF6000 filter, part number 97457, made to fit your Ridgid 14-gallon wet-dry vacuum.
Or any 6-gallon or larger Ridgid vacuum.
And remember, with CrucialVacuum.com, it's always free shipping and it costs so much less. Remember to always unplug your vacuum before changing any parts. Okay, let's get started. Grab your Crucial Vacuum branded filter replacement. To open the vacuum, pull up on the tabs on either side of the body. Carefully lift the top up and over. Remove the existing filter by gently twisting and pulling off. Whole side facing the vacuum, replace the filter. Gently twisting until it's on tight. Put the top back on your vacuum and close the handles, making sure to hear a click on each side. That's it. You're ready to vacuum. Be sure to visit us at CrucialVacuum.com for all of your replacement vacuum and household parts. And thanks for watching.